There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you noticed too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you. I feel catch me if I
During oxidation, the enzymes in the tea react with the oxygen in the atmosphere and changes in color and smell take place. The green colored tea assumes a copper red color and a fragrant smell also develops. After these changes, the tea enters the dryer. In the dryer, the tea is dried using hot air reduced by a heater. Tea drying takes almost 16 minutes. After the tea is dried, it assumes a black color as seen in the
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so